It has become as much a part of Chinese New Year tradition in Malaysia as lanterns and lion dance. Yee Sang is not merely a dish, it's a collective ritual. A selection of shredded vegetables and seafood items, including more exotic fare such as geoduck and abalone, are served with several sauces. The ingredients of the prosperity toss, as it's also known, always total 27, and most have symbolic significance. There's been much debate about the origin of Yee Sang, with both Malaysia and neighbor Singapore laying claim to being the birthplace of the tradition. Participants mix the ingredients by tossing them into the air with chopsticks while calling out their auspicious hopes for the coming year.
We are happy, and the higher we move, that signifies that everything will go better and better, higher and higher. This year is better than last year, and every year we will hope to be more prosperous. Maybe we also wish the economy to be better than last year, and we also talk about better exchange rate.
We believe in prosper thy neighbor. It's no fun to be rich by yourselves, is it? So we want everybody to be prosperous together. I think that is the whole crux of doing it together.
It's certainly boosting the prosperity of restaurateurs, including Thai and Japanese ones these days, with a plate of Yee Sang costing up to $40 or more.
一个年之中呢，我们是说过年前2个星期卖鱼生呢是卖1个月，应该是4500碟。
Economic hard times aren't dimming the enthusiasm for Yee Sang. In fact, it's making people toss that much higher in hopes of a more prosperous year ahead. Rian Maelzer, CCTV, Kuala Lumpur.